Have you ever wondered what it would be like to see for the very first time? Imagine losing your vision and being told the only hope is a donor transplant. Except there aren't enough donors, and the risk of your body rejecting the new tissue is sky high. But what if I told you there's an incredible breakthrough that's changing all of that? Doctors have now restored sight in people using their own stem cells. No donors, no immune rejection, just a patient and a bit of science magic. Here's how it works. The doctor takes a tiny sample of cells from your healthy eye, just a few, nothing scary. In the lab, those cells are turned into stem cells, which can basically become any kind of cell your body needs. Next, those stem cells are grown into fresh, healthy corneal tissue, the clear front window of your eye. And here's the wild part. Those new cells are then gently placed onto the damaged eye. Since they came from you, your body recognizes them and says, hey, you're one of us, so there's almost no risk of rejection. People who were once blind are now reading, walking around, and literally seeing the world in a brand new way. This could be just the beginning, not only for vision, but for other organs in the future. It's not science fiction. It's science fact, and it's happening right now. Imagine what else we'll be able to fix with our own cells. The future is looking brighter, one site at a time.